So in this problem, reduce the following function using Karnaugh math technique and implement using basic gates. The given function is f of a, b, c, d equal to a bar, b bar, d plus a, b, c bar, d bar plus a bar, b, d plus a, b, c, d bar. Right? So there are 4 terms available with 4 variables a, b, c, d. But the given function is not a standard sum of product form. It is converted into standard sum of product form. That is, this is coming under sum of product SOP, but not a standard SOP. Standard SOP means these 4 terms should contain all the variable a, b, c, d. Right? This term contain all the variable a, b, c, d, but this first term not contain the variable c. Similarly, the third term not contain the variable c. This fourth term is contain all a, b, c, d. So the first term and third term not having the variable c. So we need to convert this normal SOP form into standard SOP form. How to convert this? So this is the given Boolean function. So in order to get the c here the c is missing, the literal c is missing in the first term as well as third term. In order to bring, it is multiplied by c plus c bar. The value of c plus c bar is 1. So the original value will not affect. Similarly here c plus c bar. It is multiplied with c plus c bar. So while multiplying c plus c bar, the c plus c bar value is 1. So the original value will not affect. Now we multiply inside a bar, b bar, d plus into c. So that a bar, b bar, c, d. Similarly a bar, b bar, c bar into d. Right? Which this a bar, b bar, d is multiplied inside. That second term is written as it is a, b, c bar, d bar plus a bar, b, c, d, right, while multiplying with c. While multiplying c bar, a bar, b, c bar, d. Then the fourth term is a, b, c, d bar, right. Now we got the 6 terms are available. After converting into standard SOP, we have 6 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 terms. Now we need to, by using this 6 term, we need to plot the K-map, Karnaugh map. Now there are 4 variables available, A, B, C, D. So we need to use the 4 variable Karnaugh map, A, B, C, D. This is the 4 variable Karnaugh map, A, B, C, D. The A, B, C, D is available in the vertical manner. C, D is represented in horizontal manner. Right? A, B, 2 variables available. So 4 possibilities are there. A bar, B bar, a bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. Then C, D having 2 variables. So 4 possibilities are available. C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Right? There are 4 possible variables. So this is based on that we need to mark it as 1. The functions what is available, the term what is available in the given Boolean function is marked as 1. The remainings are marked as 0. For example, this box is nothing but a bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Like that we can use that. Now I will mark the first term A bar, B bar, C, D. The first term is A bar, B bar, C, D. We will see first where is it is A bar, B bar. So this is A bar, B bar. Where it is C, D available, A bar, B bar, the C, D available here. Right. So A bar, B bar, C, D. So this is the first term. This is nothing but first term. Then A bar, B bar, C bar, D. So this is A bar, B bar available here. Where is C bar, D available? Is available here. This is nothing but A bar, B bar, then C bar, D bar. This is the second term. So second term marked as 1. Third term is A, B, C bar, D bar. Where is A, B available? This is A, B. A, B available. Then C bar, D bar. This is C bar, D bar. Right. So this cell is nothing but A bar, A, B, C bar, D bar. So this is the third term. Third term we marked as. Then fourth term is A bar, B, C, D. Where is A bar, B? A bar, B is available here. Where is C, D available? C, D available here. So this is nothing but A bar, B, C, D. So this is the fourth term. Right. Now we'll go to the fifth term. A bar, B, C bar, D. Where is A bar, B? This is A bar, B. Where is C bar, D? C bar, D is nothing but this one. A bar, B, C bar, D. So this is nothing but is a fifth term, right? Then we'll go to the sixth one. Sixth one is A, B, C, D bar. Where is A, B? AB is available here. AB is available here. Where is C D bar? C D bar is this one, right? So this term is nothing but AB C D bar. This is the sixth term. The sixth term available, right? Now all 6 terms are marked as 1. The remaining terms are marked as zeros. All are remaining terms are marked as zeros. Now we need to go for grouping of these numbers, right? So we need to see whether any possible 8 grouping is available, or 4, then 2, then 1. Grouping of 8 ones, grouping of 4 ones, grouping of 2 ones, otherwise finally grouping of 1 1. So there is no possibility of 8 ones. There is a possibility of 4 ones are available. So there is a this 4 we can group it as, we can go for a grouping. And these 2 ones also we can group it as leftmost and rightmost corner. Leftmost and rightmost corner are these 2 ones are we can group. So there is no other possibilities. Only the possible way is we can group these 4 ones and these 2 ones, right? So while grouping these 4 ones, we need to see what is the expression. So while grouping these 2 4 1, we have to see what is these 2 term in horizontal manner. This A bar, B bar, A bar, B. So this B bar got cancelled. So only we have A bar. So this is A bar. Similarly, in the vertical side, we have to these 2 4 cells are combined. So we have to verify these 2 terms. C bar D, C D, right? So C bar and C got cancelled. Only we have D, right? So we have A bar D. So these 2 terms are got cancelled. We have A bar D, right? So while grouping these 4 cells, we have to verify these 2 cells and these 2 cells. While verifying these 2 cells, here B bar and B got cancelled. Only we have A bar. Similarly, C bar D, C D, C bar and C is got cancelled. Only we have D. So that A bar D, right? While grouping this 4 cell, we got the value as A bar D. Now we have to verify these 2 cells. While combining these 2 cells, we have to verify this term AB. So there is no elimination there. We can write as it is AB. Similarly, in the vertical side, we have to verify this C bar D bar and C D bar, right? So this C and C bar got cancelled. Only we have D bar, right? So this side we have AB. While verifying this, we have D bar. So the value is A B D bar, right? So there is no other possibilities available in this. Only we can group these 4 cells and these 2 cells, rightmost and leftmost cells, right? So while grouping these 4, what we got? A bar D. While grouping these 2, we got A B D bar, right? So in this video, we discuss about the simplification of Boolean function using K-map method. The given expression is not in a standard form. So that is converted into standard SOP by multiplying C bar in the term 1 and term 3. Thereafter, we got the 6 terms with the standard SOP. That 6 terms are marked as 1. Remaining terms are marked as 0. Then we have 2 groups having 4 cell and 2 cells, right? Then we simplified the expression. Finally, we got this value. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.